Get strong.
Hey guys, I'm Deadfire. Today I'm gonna show you how to get Articuno, Zapdos and Moltres, including the Galarian versions. So first, this is gonna be really long. When I mean really long, I mean it's gonna take hours. So either you are cheating them in, or you are really epic at the game, like I am. First, you need to kill some rare, like the boss Pokemons, to get something called an orb. You need to kill boss Pokemons. They can be yellow, red, anything. They have to be a boss Pokemon. And you have a certain chance at getting an orb. When you get an orb, you can combine it with the stones, ice, thunder and fire, to create these orbs. These orbs, you'll have to fight Pokemons with these orbs in your inventory, and they will lose durability and they'll go to 0. And then again, this is going to be a longer process. After getting the orbs done, you need to find a big station thing with these shrines. This shrine, or this, depending on which one do you want. This is the Articuno, of course it has the ice things, right? This is Zapdos because it has the little whoosh things. This is Moltres, fire, death. Yeah, so using these, and look, I'm gonna give you, and one more tip: get Master Balls. They are really good. They can catch any Pokemon in seconds. But don't use them on normal Pokemon because you can just get them by Pokeballs, like normal ones. Use Master Balls, they're the best. So I'm gonna summon the Moltres. Look, it's summoning. Look. It's gonna go automatically into fight mode. Look at how good the Master Ball is. And look, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's captured. Look, got it. It was as easy as throwing one Master Ball. So you can do this to the respective ones by just summoning them, and then they'll go into fight mode. It will be easier to take them down if you have Pokeballs and all, but it's easier to Master Ball. After, I'll just catch these all. After that, I'll show you how to get the things that you need, the stones. Okay, that's that. Okay, so after you catch all 3 of them, epic. This is epic animation, dude. Epic animation. It's so good. Okay, after you're done catching the 3, what's it called? Birds. To get the Firestone, if you have a fire type, you can just click R and get him out, and click V on the top right. You can see right here, you have to click V at a lava block, and then G. That has a certain chance of the Pokemon giving you any item. Or you could get these stones and go like at Y12 or something, and you can just mine them to get shards, and you need 9 shards to create a stone. And for this Zapdos Thunderstone, you need an electric type Pokemon and forge these things. Stone. Forge stone, like any stone. It can be any stone. It cannot be anything that you break with a shovel. Anything that you can break with a pickaxe would be easier, because that's the only thing that will happen. But for the ice, it's a little different. You need either a good rod, a super rod, or a old rod. You should go with the old rod, because you can just get an old rod. I'll show you this. Look, the recipe is so easy. 3 sticks, this, and a Pokeball. But if you want the good rod, you need blaze rods and you need an ultra ball. But you can't craft the super rod. You need to get the old rod and fish in water. Ooh, good Pokemon. Yeah, that's one of the bosses that you can get an orb from. I'll just go there, check it. It has a certain amount of 100. Yeah, look. It's really hard to face these bosses. And the bosses, if you have all of your Pokemons at the same level, that will be the best way to fight bosses, because the bosses depend on your highest level Pokemon. Like mine was Charizard, so it's at 100 level. So these Articuno and all, they are at 70, so they cannot do much, and they're all just gonna die. Oh yeah, and I'll give the description of where I got the information, and well, I probably didn't get it from a good place, but I'll give you everywhere how I'll just give you all the information in the description. Oh no, I died. Here. Yeah. So after you get the stones, you can just create the orbs and then get these stuff. And after you're done getting all of these things, if you want the Galarian versions, you have to do the whole thing, but without these ones, you have to get gems. You can get them by fainting other mobs / Pokemon, or you can craft the gem by just getting a diamond and another brick for the dark gem, the Moltres one, and for the Zapdos one you'll need a brick, and for the Articuno one you'll need an ender pearl. I like the Articuno one more. And you can't put these, I put them to the respective ones. This is the Moltres one, so if you put this in any other one, it won't work. You would have to put this with the Moltres, you will have to put this with this Zapdos, and you'll have to put this with Articuno. I'll show you how each of them look. Oh yeah, and you can only use one shrine once, so you'll have to find multiple of these shrines to get the different ones. Look, the epic. Look, that's the Moltres. The good, the really good looking one. Yeah, I'm gonna say good looking. It looks, see, I thought when I first saw this, I thought they were all gonna be like, oh, how is this possible? There must be a backstory. But no, they just said, oh, this is the Galarian version of this guy. Why couldn't they just have said something better? Oh yeah, and please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe for more videos, and please comment which one do you want me to do next. This is the fighting one. Look his eyes. He's death staring you. Look. He's death staring you. Okay. After you're done liking and subscribing, please share this video with the people you're playing Pixelmon with. And in the description I'll put the download to the Pixelmon, because for some reason most of you don't have Pixelmon. How? And this is for Java. The Bedrock Pixelmon is different, I think. And this one looks cool. I'll just show you after I capture all of them. Yeah, okay. After you're done capturing each one of them and getting them into your inventory to show them to your viewers, yeah, look, the Moltres, the original Moltres, the original Zapdos, the original Articuno. Look at this tail, the magnificent tail. And the Galarian Moltres. Look. The Galarian Zapdos. And the Galarian Articuno. This one looks good. It's a psychic type. But they still have their special ability that they have in the normal ones. And please, thanks for watching this video. You are the greatest viewers ever for sticking till now. And